a public service announcement. I converted to Islam for views and likes on social media. Before I even was on social media, 10 years ago. I am a mastermind, like Taylor Swift. People actually assume that. I'm happy to announce that this assumption is very much off mark. Like I said, I converted to Islam 10 years ago, before I was even on social media, before I even thought of being on social media. And it was just a very personal decision that I've made in a very vulnerable time in my life. But I get it. People go through things in their lives and they're curious and sometimes they just want attention. So I'll give them some attention. But wouldn't it be so crazy if someone actually did that? Converting to a whole new religion just to get some views and some likes on social media? You need to have a discipline that is out of this world to be able to pull off a stunt like this. Converting to a new religion is a major life change. You embrace new beliefs and new practices. It often comes with completely changing your daily routine and your lifestyle, how you eat, how you dress. Trust me, it's not something that you can do casually or half-heartedly. And especially if you grow a following and everybody's watching you, every single step you make. Let me speak from experience. Islam requires a serious commitment and dedication to the faith. Converting to a new religion is such a personal and serious and significant change that Muslim converts or reverts, whatever you prefer, go through. Trust me, no attention on social media is worth it. We do whatever we do as Muslim converts when we become Muslim, when we change our life, when we navigate through conflict with our non-Muslim family, because they might not understand what we go through and why we make choices like that. The likes on social media are just not worth it. We do it because we love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We choose to follow the teachings of Islam and be good Muslims. That is the only reason we convert.